But let's talk about the updates that have just been announced. And one is part of an update to an old standby as a Power BI visual called the matrix layout. Tell us what's new with this feature, Dennis, and why folks should be excited.
Yeah, the matrix visual in Power BI is actually one of the most widely used visuals in all of Power BI reporting. And so one thing that Microsoft and really the Fabric team are trying to do is make that more similar to the Excel interface. And so it's really around bringing some of those standard Excel pivot table features back into Power BI so they can see additional adoption across those Excel users.
That makes sense to me. People definitely love their Excel, and that makes it an easier experience using it as part of this visual. But tell me specifically, who do you think will love this feature?
I think any developer really that uses table visuals, matrix visuals, very tabular format reports will really love this feature. I think I'm, really just thinking about financial analysts, accountants that are building out those really tabular reports. I think will love this feature.
So what exactly makes the experience as part of this update closer to that Excel pivot experience?
Yeah, there's really two main features that they're pulling from the Excel pivot tables into Power BI matrices, and that's inserting blank rows and also the report layout options. So whether you want indentations, you want to skip rows, you want additional rows and columns, etc. So, that's really the main two features that they're going to add into the Power BI matrix.
That sounds like a marked improvement. Are there any other limitations, though, that we should be aware of?
Yeah, the one thing I would mention is that the Power BI matrix is not a one-to-one replica of the Excel pivot table. And so there are features in Excel that don't exist in the Power BI matrix, and there are features in the Power BI matrix that don't exist in the Excel pivot table. So it's really how you use those combination of features to get your desired result.